Hi, I'm Chris Sutton, your pain guide. As a chronic pain management coach, I work with people to gain control over their pain and improve their quality of life. Today, we're going to talk about what chronic pain is and how it can affect the mind and the body. Now, chronic pain is considered to be pain that lasts for more than 3 months, whereas acute pain lasts under 3 months. Now, acute pain usually resolves when an underlying injury or illness heals. For example, if you break a bone, the pain should resolve as a break heals. But sometimes pain can go haywire and it becomes chronic. And chronic pain can persist long past an initial injury or illness has healed. Or chronic pain can actually be a condition in and of itself, such as migraine or fibromyalgia, which has no clear underlying cause. It can also result from conditions such as arthritis or nerve damage or other medical conditions. So, how does chronic pain affect the body? Well, aside from the obvious that it causes pain to the affected area, there are several effects that chronic pain can have to a person's body. First, chronic pain can reduce a person's mobility and overall ability to perform daily tasks and activities. Second, it can cause an increase in muscle tension and stiffness. There can also be a weakening of the muscles and a limitation of range of motion from a reduction of use, which then adds to the discomfort. And third, if you've ever dealt with pain, you may have experienced disturbances to your sleep. And it can be a real challenge to find a comfortable sleeping position or to just simply turn off your mind when you're trying to sleep with constant pain. Fourth, that leads us to fatigue. Chronic pain can be draining on your energy. And then add to that, if you've had difficulty sleeping, that makes it even more challenging. Fifth, chronic pain can also weaken your immune system. And this is because chronic pain can increase your stress hormones, which can adversely affect your immune system. Furthermore, a study at McGill University showed that chronic pain may actually reprogram how our genes work in the immune system. And sixth, chronic pain can make the nervous system actually more sensitive to pain. And this is called central sensitization. This happens as a result of changes in how the brain and the spinal cord process pain signals and can make mild pain feel much more intense. In addition to the physical effects, chronic pain can also impact the mind. 1. Chronic pain can take a toll on your emotions. It can lead to irritability, anxiety, frustration, hopelessness, and even depression. 2. It can affect your ability to think clearly, and prolonged pain can actually lead to structural changes in the brain. These changes can impact memory, concentration, and decision making. 3. Social isolation. As pain persists, often a person's life can become smaller and smaller as it becomes difficult to participate in social activities. And this can then lead to feelings of loneliness and isolation, which can then contribute to depression and hopelessness. And you can see how these issues can start to feed on themselves. This then, 4, reduces quality of life. And this can then limit a person's ability to enjoy activities that they once found fulfilling. This then leads us to 5. It's no surprise that this can impact a person with chronic pain, self-esteem, and self-worth. As people begin to feel like they have less control over their bodies, they can also feel like the person that they once were is just slipping away. 6. This can then lead to coping strategies that are not always healthy, such as overusing medication or engaging in unhealthy behaviors to numb the pain in desperation. But there's good news. People with chronic pain don't have to be stuck in this endless cycle of the downward spiral. Be sure to check out some of my other upcoming videos where I give you tips on how you can get control of your chronic pain and improve your quality of life. To get more information on how pain management coaching can help you or a loved one, visit yourpainguide.com. I'm Chris Sutton, your pain guide.